All right, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Chevy Tahoe key fob right here. Right here I have the Chevy Tahoe key fob. What I'm going to do is actually show you how to replace the battery. So before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now, to replace the battery on the Chevy Tahoe key fob, you'll want to open it up first. So right here I have the Chevy Tahoe key fob, and I'm going to look to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and press this button right here. So I press this button on the side, and the key slides out. Now once it slides out, I have access to the inside of it. So there is a slot right here that you're going to need to use in order to open up the key fob. And I'm going to zoom in closer so you can see this in better. All right, so here is the key fob right here. And the slot that I'm talking about is this one right here. Now, you don't need any special tool to put into this slot right here, but you're going to need to just use your key. Okay, so you have the key. I pull the key out after I press that button, and I'm going to slide the key into this slot right here. Now, once the key is into the slot, just make sure that it's flush all the way down in there as far as it can go, just maybe a couple of centimeters. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand and I'm just going to twist the key like I'm turning it, and it pops open just a little bit right here. And once it pops open, you're able to go ahead and open this up all the way right here. And so like right here, you're able to go ahead and get the battery out. Now see, the type of battery that this requires is a CR2450, okay? A CR2450. So once you have that, you're just going to take your key again. This is quite handy. You can place it down in there. Place it down in here, right here. And I just go ahead, pop it up. And you're able to take this battery out, get a new battery, fresh battery, and make sure that you place it back in just as such. So the positive side, you see this, it says a plus on there. Make sure that that side is facing upwards, okay? And then this side is facing down. You're just going to simply push it in here, like here. Pushing it underneath the slot right here, and then press down, it is in place. Now, once I have that, I'm going to take the back side of this and make sure that the rubber gasket is actually back in line, because sometimes it can come off. So I'm going to push the rubber gasket back into its slots right here. Now this will help keep the moisture from coming inside and dirt from coming inside. And then I'm going to place it back on top, snap it into place, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the key fob, and I'm going to go ahead and put that back into place and let it snap. And that's how you change the battery on a Chevy Tahoe. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.